Hi and welcome to another walkthrough video tour with Ashmore Lettings and Sales. If you're after a 2-bedroom flat in very much close proximity to the Birmingham city centre, then we found the ideal property for you. It's a 2-bedroom ground floor flat. We're going to do a walkthrough video tour. It's for sale and it's going to be on the market. We'll put the prices and details on our website. But for now, we'll take you through and do a walkthrough video tour. What we've seen on the outside is the car parking area. This property actually comes with one allocated car parking space. And inside, we'll show you the rest of the property. So if you follow me, thank you. So entrance to the property is through an intercom system, as you can see, and as we go inside you see the communal hallway, and the property in question is over here. So as you come in, entrance hallway, and basically everything flows off here, all the rooms flow off from here. So as you can see, the intercom system is here. You've got the heating control system over here. There's a couple of sockets and switches. And just we'll show you this room before we go into the lounge. This is where the hot water tank is, kind of like an airing cupboard, where the tenants are currently using it as for the airing cupboard as well. Okay, so we'll go through into the lounge first. So this is an open plan lounge come dining, and the kitchenette kind of kitchen goes off here as well. Okay, so there's plenty of space, as you can see. A small table they've added here, a couple of sofas on each side, a bookcase. The property is heated by electric. It's electric only property, and it's heated by a panel heaters. We've got tenants here. They've been here for about 5 years almost. So it's got sitting tenant. If you're a landlord or an investor, you can go in. The property kitchen comes with appliances. Yeah, as I was saying, if you've got a landlord or an investor, then you've got sitting tenants already. Or if you're looking to buy to live in for yourself, then you can also do that. The tenants are aware that the property is on the market for sale, and they will vacate with some notice. So yeah, the property's got the fridge, freezer, oven hob comes with it, and you've got the washer dryer as well that comes with it as well. So everything else is the tenants, but those appliances, fixed appliances, are with the property. Okay, so this is your kind of main living area. We'll go through to, as you come out from here, you go straight into what is the family bathroom. A full-size bath, wash and basin, pedestal wash and basin, and a WC. There is an ensuite, and this is the family room. So there's a couple of toilets in the property as well. There you go, that's better. Okay, so if you come through, then we'll go into the master bedroom. It's got 2 double bedrooms. The master bedroom has got a kind of Juliet balcony. So on the kind of summers that we had this summer, this obviously opens up, and it's very airy. There's a window to that side as well. They've got a double bed in here, lots of wardrobes and space. And then off there is the ensuite, which we'll switch on. There we go. Right, so it's got a shower, cubicle, and then your WC and wash and basin and everything. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, and once the camera's done, we'll go into the second bedroom. Right, so this is the second bedroom. I'll let the camera go in first. They've turned it into an office, so both working from home, and obviously you can use this. It's a good space. If I just go in here and just spread my arms, you'll see that, you know, it's a good space for a double bed and then you got space along here for wardrobe, space behind there if the camera wants to come along here when it does, then you can see over that side you've got all that space as well. So it's a good 2 double room sized apartment. Okay. So we'll end the video over here. I think this was a quick walkthrough video tour of our 2-bedroom apartment for sale in Birmingham, in Smethwick. We're actually very close by in terms of we're talking, trying to get bearings. So Cape Hill is just behind me that side. And then you've got the city centre about 1.5 miles away. You've got the new hospital kind of being built over here, which is going towards Smethwick and West Bromwich. So it's an ideal place if you're going to commute into town and back again. It's a Saturday, you can see how nice and quiet it is over here. If you want to make inquiries and find out more about the property, then do please visit our website. The energy performance information, floor plans, etc. all will be within the details within our website. If you want to make inquiries and come forward for a viewing, please give us a call or send us an email, or you can register on our website. There's various forms that you can do that. Again, links and all of that will be in the description. And all being well, we hope to see you on the other side. Take care.